Tiramisu, the best recipe ever.
Make your own, guys. And look at that. Unbelievable. And this is Live in Full Flavor, your channel for comfort food with Chef Luca and Chef Eileen.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it to your friends. And next time, we will do the Filipino version of tiramisu.
The Filipino version.
Mommy, you can try the tiramisu. Subscribe, share, and like. And that's it.
Ingredient of our unbelievable recipe.
3. Fresh eggs.
150 grams of sugar.
50 ml of water.
500 grams of mascarpone cheese.
Savoiardi.
Savoiardi, buy the Italian one, don't buy the fake. Cocoa powder, of course. And we will use Baileys to mix with our coffee to poach our Savoiardi. Very nice.
Baileys. 1 shot.
And don't forget the coffee. About the tools, this recipe requires some. A mixer, I bought this in Amazon, I will put the link in bio. Thermometer, if you don't have, let's say doesn't matter, but really important to bring our sugar to 121 degrees. And what we do?
We will put our eggs here.
In the mixer.
We will put our eggs in the mixer full speed for 10 minutes.
In the meantime, water and sugar in a pan on fire and we bring it to 121 degrees. After that,
We will put slowly the sugar in the eggs.
like an Italian merengue. And this is what we want. You see that? Super creamy, time to incorporate our mascarpone cheese. As a tip, remember, before you mix all the mascarpone with the eggs, take part of your mix of the eggs and blend it with the mascarpone to make it a little bit more soft and creamy. After, we add the rest and we fold everything together.
We mix coffee and Bailey and we poach our Savoiardi.
Remember that Savoiardi have two sides, one with the sugar, one without. When you poach your Savoiardi, remember to put the part of the sugar upside down. Very important. And that's it. After that, ready to build our beautiful tiramisu. And you can enjoy with a cup of coffee, guys. And time for tasting.
Time for tasting, the best part.
Look at that. Whoa. Nice, creamy. You can eat it directly. You don't need to wait with this recipe. Go ahead. Unbelievable, guys. Make your own.
really tastes good, better than restaurants.
Thanks. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!